day everyone, my name is Mark Anthony Pedro Diaz, and the proverb that I choose is Proverb chapter 4 verse 14. Do not enter the path of the wicked, and do not walk in the way of the evil. So in these proverbs, it tells us that we should choose the good and the right path of our life for us to don't regret in any decision of our life, and for us to have a good and much better future. Some of the teenager in our generation is experiencing drugs, solvent, and maybe other is a member of a gang, and in those teenager is choosing their wrong path of their life, and that is the example of wrong path of their life. And this proverb means to me because before I experienced choosing the wrong path of my life, because before I don't want to go in this school. I just want to play computer all day, and I don't follow to my parents, and I experience also sometimes stealing to my parents and money to play computer, because I was a kid. I don't know how to have a money that time, and now I already regret it, and that is the lesson of choosing the wrong path of your life, because that time is I don't know that I'm stealing your money, and I don't know because I don't know that we don't have a food that time, and I steal the money from them. So that is a big problem from them, and that is the lesson why you should think carefully what you do in your life, because we don't know everything in our life. That's all. Thank you.